Gang, welcome back to the channel. It's your boy, Davonjaay, you already know, aka Face of Hundreds. And we back with another one. I have to say this every video, man. If you new, you already know what to do. Say it with me, y'all. Subscribe to the video. And leave a like if you enjoyed my reaction, man. And today we got another banger, man. This banger, I mean, this is one of my favorite artists, bro. And he dropped this about a week ago. Let me see, what did it say? About a week ago, right? About a week ago. And it's Joyner Lucas. It's ADHD. He just dropped like the no, I keep saying just dropped. It was a week ago. So he dropped ADHD, and I'm just gonna get straight into it because I already know it's gonna be some heat. My man Joyner Lucas is like, my nigga is from a different planet. It's just ridiculous. His flows, his delivery, his lyrics, it's all heat. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. Let's get it. Whoa, my man blinking. He always has some trippy artwork too. Whenever he drops like his audio format songs.
It kind of feels like
Gotta turn this up, you already know.
on the inside. It kind of feels like I've been trying to get by, and I've been this way since day one. I don't need no medication, no, I don't need no drug. Or maybe I'm different, and maybe my ADHD got me tripping, and maybe I'm just everything that you miss to me.
Y'all thought? I can't wait. Hold up, my nigga. That's what I'm talking about. His flow. He go that slow and then speed up. Let's go back. Hold up. Hold up. Hold up.
Or maybe I'm different, and maybe my ADHD got me tripping, and maybe I'm just everything that you miss to me. Yeah. I feel like I'm dying inside.
Okay.
Why do I seem crazy?
All right off the rip, I was not expecting that. I thought it was gonna come off a little harder. But why did to me, he sounds like, hold up.
No, I don't need no drug. Or maybe I'm different, and maybe my ADHD got me tripping, and maybe I'm just everything that you miss to me. Yeah. I feel like I'm.
What does that sound like? That sounds like somebody. That does not sound like his usual flow. That sound like some X Tentacion, Triple X, you want Triple X Tentacion. That sounds like that and some like Juice Wrld type shit.
Inside, why do I seem crazy? Someone save me. You can't blame me. It's my ADHD.
Alright, let's get it.
My mind racing, I've been paranoid. Overthinking, maybe that's a void. Don't cut me up like I don't have a voice. I think I was born different, I ain't really have a choice, yeah.
That's a fact.
Past a session, you are hourly. Don't play with me, today is not the day. Pay attention, I am not deranged. I could tell you what I'm thinking, I just don't know how to say it. Maybe I get in your nerve. I mean, what I said, I've been a man of my word. Yeah, wide awake, maybe a little disturbed. But that's just me, you don't bleed the blood I bleed. I wear my heart on my sleeve, nigga. And I've been this way since day one. I don't need no medication. No, I don't need no drugs. Or maybe I'm different, and maybe my ADHD got me tripping, and maybe I'm just everything that you miss to me, yeah. I feel like I'm dying inside.
That part right there.
I seem crazy.
I feel like I'm dying inside. That's like that harmonic of like Tentacion flows. Like I heard him say something like that in one of his songs. Not the exact words, but that flow and that melody. I don't know what y'all think, man. Is this like, I was not expecting this from Joyner Lucas. Like, it's still a good song because it's the ADHD part. Like, I feel like I got ADHD. I think everybody got ADHD, to be honest. So this is more like poppy type style rap. It's more like a pop song instead of like writing down, banging this in your car. This is more towards like not the same races, but towards more like the white people side of type of music. You feel me? So I don't know if he's trying to do this strategically and try to get more, you know, white fans on his side. Who knows, man? Who knows? But it's different.
Someone save me. You can't blame me. It's my ADHD. Yeah. It kind of feels like I'm dying on the inside. It kind of feels like I've been trying to get by. Yippee, yippee-yi-yo, yippee-yi-yo. Staring at the fire, kumbaya. I'ma take you higher, take you higher. I'ma take you higher, take you higher. So many things in my head. What am I thinking? How come I can't go sleep in my bed? I hear them talking, and it was strange, they leave me for dead. Cause they want me gone, it's that shit I be on. Ain't no one to lean on. You know I've been this way since day one. I don't need no medication. Or maybe I'm on one. Or maybe I'm different, and maybe my ADHD got me tripping, and maybe I'm just everything that you missed to me, yeah. I feel like
That's on my favorite part right there.
why do I seem crazy? Someone save me. You can't.
How much we got left? Okay, this is the last. That's a hook.
It kinda feels like I'm dying on the inside.
What's that? Written in what? What did he say?
Kinda feels like
Written on Thule. Written and distributed on Thule. Is that an app? Wait a minute. Written and distributed. You can. Is that an app you can write raps on and like distribute it? I guess. So look. To be honest, not my Joyner Lucas. That's not my favorite. I'm gonna keep it a buck. That's not my favorite. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comment box down below. If you guys enjoy this song type of style from Joyner Lucas, it's kind of different for me. But if you like that different style from him, let me know in the comment box down below. Also, if you guys got something else for me to react to, also in the comment box down below, man. I'm kind of like conflicted, man, because I was wanting something more Joyner Lucas, though. You know what I mean? The what's the remixes that he's been doing? I was looking towards for more of that type of style. You know what I'm saying? I don't wanted that crazy spitting stupid fast and then bars after bars. Like, I didn't really get too much bars out of this. It was more of a like melodic type of style, poppy. Like I said, man, it is the music industry, and he probably had to dig into his inner Caucasianist. I think isn't he like mixed with black and white? So he probably tapped into that side and was like, let me go ahead and do something for the culture, his culture. But that's been my reaction, dog. I'll say on a scale of 1 to 10, I rate this song right here, I rate it like a 6.5. 6.5. If you guys like my reaction, go ahead and leave me with a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe after you're done. Come back and I'll see you guys on the next one. Gang!